Lodge, room 2517. This door now stays open for you when you push it. It stays open for 6 or 7 seconds, which I thought was a nice touch. Yeah, just as you can see, yeah, it just stays open for you. All right, so as we walk in, we have our bathroom here. Again, here we go with a little makeup mirror. Nice theming. You can see some nice artwork on the bathroom mirror. This is nice too, little built-ins here. 3 little built-ins, I like that. This room is handicap accessible, so that's probably why, obviously why you have that door that stays open. Nice, beautiful shower head. Also have this down here. It's very nice. We are locking everything up even at the deluxes, so. Nice recessed lighting here in the bathroom. One here. We got some hangers. We've got our extra pillow, some hangers like aforementioned. Got the hair dryer. Shelving up above. Let's take a look at this. Another one. Now we just got some shelves. What is this? Is this like press? Might be able to clean my suits here. Got a few suits. I always have to bring your best Sunday clothes when you come to Disney. It's our safe. Tight squeeze. They probably should have put you got the door here. It works. Our luggage rack. Got our trash and recycle bin here. Now, once again, Chris and I, we love just doing a king because it gives you a little bit of extra room. I know traveling families, they need the 2 twins, but or the 2 queens, but we'd rather just have the king and have the extra room because now we've got an end table here. Look at this artwork in a second. We've got our USB ports, our plug-ins. All right, so one of the things that I did notice that I absolutely love, the first button, the uplights that post over the bed frame. Second one down, now these are the lights that are on the sides of the bed. We have the ceiling, which is the third one down. I'm going to turn on the ceiling light. Now you can turn these all off individually, or if you're laying in bed watching TV, you can just press goodnight, all the lights shut off. Very cool. I like that feature. A little bit of artwork here. Crown molding. Always a nice touch when you're in a Disney Deluxe. Beds are always comfortable. Got our Keurig, which I love. I love having a Keurig. Kuna Matata. Good sized TV. Plenty of dresser space. Plenty of space. Another nice feature with the drawers. Pull them out. It's my shorts and but they're the retractable ones, so you push it in, they go in. So you don't have to push them all the way in for us lazy people. Put it to the edge. There they go. Beautiful. Great room. Got a desk here. in case you have to bring the laptop and do some work. Now we have the chair, which I like, and that's why we get the king bed, because now we have a little extra room. Kristen can sit here, watch TV or read. Yeah, I do. I like that lighting over the bed. Now this is the first time we got a Savannah view. And our first location was terrible. It was in the corner, so I asked them if they could move us. And right before I started filming, there were a bunch of zebras out here. They've since gone in. There's the main lobby right there. And then down this way, I saw a big giraffe walking around, so this is beautiful. There's our balcony. Some nice chairs, little table. Be out here in the morning having our coffee. Here's a look in from the balcony. It's a nice room. We stayed here actually February 2020, Super Bowl weekend right before COVID. First time here, we really liked it. Just peaceful, great restaurants too. We usually pick our resort based on where we want to eat. You can't go wrong with Jico and Boma. Can't go wrong. But yeah, Savannah View, Animal Kingdom Lodge. Beautiful room. Can't wait to spend the weekend here. Thanks for watching, guys.